Christmas has come early to the centre where we've just received a new robotic hand. So this hand is really exciting because it allows us to do dexterous manipulation research, including reinforcement learning, which is really hard for robotics when you try and come in contact with the table. It's really hard for previous types of hands to come in contact with the table because their design is very brittle and can break. This new hand actually can flex and easily come in contact with the table. The added value of this hand is allowing us to interact in the environment such as doors or buttons or things like that. Doors are particularly hard to open because you need to have a really good grasp on the door while you actually move the hand to open the handle. So some of the projects that we're looking at using this hand for is for teaching robots to grasp a lot of different items, but also for our new mobile manipulation research that we're looking at. So hopefully you'll be able to grab me a coffee.